I find this absolutely shocking. This is the Cathedral around Royal Perth Hospital. It was never finished when it was built at the time, probably because of World War One or something. And it had like this gaping hole that then joined, I don't know if that section's old, I think it is, to the really old section at the back there. So because they have these laws about heritage listing, if you add any attachments, you have to make sure that they don't blend in with the old, so you clearly know what is old and what is new. And what they've done is absolutely horrible. You see all that new stuff there, look at that. It's the original part of the church that was built here. You can see the modern extension they added. There used to be a lawn here, and they put this car park in there as well. It's very, very beautiful. I personally think they should have finished it in the same style as what they did as it was built. And I think what they've done is a disgrace. And I think it cost some stupid amount of money, like $3 million or $10 million. Unbelievable. Originally this church had like a lawn down here. See this gate here? And it just had a rolling lawn, beautiful rolling lawn going up to it, and they added this new attachment at the back, which, like I said before, had to be made so that you can clearly separate what is old and what is new. And they've put a car park underneath, and it's an absolute disgrace. This is one of the worst things that I've seen. So here is the church from this angle, and they stuck a car park underneath it. So there used to be grass on the other side sloping down, which is gone. Look, it's so beautiful up there.